How is it?
So good.
Oh. Oh. That's how they make the bread.
Dal made of chickpeas and a lovely sauce. And we had chicken curry and naan bread.
Yeah,
It was
very good.
yummy.
Now we're having a little more chai tea.
Chai tea.
So here's where they produce the chai tea in here in the lunch. And our guide informed us this is kind of an Afghani style or Arab style maybe. And we did see this in Morocco quite a bit.
We did a lot of it.
Yeah. We made it to our destination at the Hindu Kush Heights Mastuj hotel, which was built where is this built at here?
It's built within the walls of an old fort.
Yeah, and we can see them right here. Unbelievable. And look at that door. And we're in this unbelievable valley. So here's this door. It's really impressive.
This is our cabin. Zerbali.
Zerbali. We were just out here having some chai tea. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, wow, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
Got a nice little wood stove here. This would be a fun place to hang out for a little bit. Pictures from looks like the old British Raj maybe. Just kind of roams around the property.
We're
Oh, you can't hear.
trying
Oh, he can't
to
hear.
call him,
He can't
but
hear.
he can't hear us. He might sense or smell us. His tail
Let's see if he
is
really.
wagging.
Maybe he's faking it. Maybe he's faking it. No, he doesn't seem to hear anything.
But he found a forever home.
Yeah, he sure did. So he's super happy roaming around.
Look at the tail.
And he sniffs and wags his tail. Aw. Aw.
Oh, pretty baby. Uh-huh.
There he goes. Guarding the property. Come here. Come on. And he's a little wary.
He's a little wary.
Yeah. They're growing corn under the apple trees. I mean, that is really, really smart. Looks like we've got dinner going here. So
Dinner's on.
This.
what?
This. Flower.
Oh, the rose?
Yes.
Oh,
This. Good.
very beautiful. Yes.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
We got some trout and some kind of a lentil dish. Yeah.
Lentil curry
Yeah.
and a mutton curry.
I'm not sure what kind of meat. I think it's mutton.
I think it's mutton.
And of course, a mountain of rice as usual. And this salad they always serve. Fabulous dinner. It was just so much food, though. It was unbelievable. But so here we're just relaxing. I actually moved the couch in front of the fireplace. They brought in some more wood for us here. We got a beautiful fire going. Unbelievable. Don't want to melt the camera, but Judy's having her
Chai tea.
chai tea. It's freezing cold, but Judy climbed into bed. And what did you come up with?
To my surprise, the bed is warm. I don't know why. It was so warm. It's beautiful.
I wonder.
can't believe it.
I wonder if it has something to do with this device here. It's called a electric blanket. Maybe that has something to do with it.
Oh, it's lovely. It's going to be a good snuggle night.
Really lovely spot. Great breakfast. And really nice little cabins. The electric blanket was a really nice touch. There's no heat in the cabins, but you don't really need it when you have that, and it was really, really nice.